completely this area of interest. I'm just saying don't focus.
Hey, good morning. I was heading towards bringing the milk, but look at this view. Doesn't it look like a picture perfect? Crazy. The sun rays are coming. Man, it is not coming in this, man. Wow. It is. It does awesome. Yeah. So I mean, it is not getting recorded in the camera. The way the things which I'm seeing right now. All right, let's go. Shit, guys. I just came home, brother, by bringing the milk. I have never ever felt this fresh earlier this year. You know, like 2-3 years back, I was going to cycling. I was having the same feeling, even great. But after that, I just forgot about that because I was doing the trading study. Let's go home. Hello, brother. We just have like 10 minutes. Else light mark will be happen. Can I able to travel this long within 10 minutes? Let's see. Fuck, man. No, I can't. Look at this. This bike is behind my bike, and even if I do quickly, it's impossible to reach. So I will go safely. So just now finished removing this bike, and guess what? The time is over. I'm going to go relax for sure. Let's go. Am I not going to wipe this bike? Hell fucking not. I'm going to wipe this bike. So let's close this. I just don't want to break the streaks of wiping the bike because it will add as my brain saying that you can drive the bike without wiping it, which is not good at all. So it just take like how much? 5 minutes or more? That's more than that, and we are already late. So, and I don't give a fuck. Why should I risk my life for just 800 rupees fee? That doesn't even make sense. This 4 minutes, it has already been done. Let's fucking ride it. Fuck. Holy shit. We are heading to a job that you fucking hate the most. This is what I won't be able to stay in a parking. What I'm thinking right now to shoot this, keeping my phone like this. Can we do this? Can we? Oh, probably. Is it going to fall? No. And if fall, then it will fall like this. It will never fall down. That's an awesome thing. What I will do this. Yeah. Just a second. I'm locking the screen so that it will not get. Oh. If this gets shoot, I'm gonna pause this. I thought the dog is barking, but then I realized that it's not. As I can see, I don't know how it is looking, but I really don't know. Is this shit got treated perfectly? I don't know. Yeah, petrol is getting listed. Yeah, petrol is getting listed a lot. This is not a line here, or it is a line. Okay. Let's do this. All right, let's do this. I think it's done. Let me check. Yeah, it's pretty good fit. Hello, fuck. Seeing backside, all cool. Let's fucking go. I really wanted to shoot this. Are you ready? Let's go fast. 3, 2, 1. Falling with this car, not good. Okay, let me go. Let me go. All good. Holy shit. I will not do that. Oh god. So, I really don't know. You guys can able to hear my voice or not. But fuck off. What if you can? Then, whatever I'm going to spit, going to get fucking recorded, isn't it? I usually talk about how I can get rich. Let's fucking talk. Okay, this guy's what just happened is, okay, we good. What has happened? I have given this college kid boys was going to take the round turn, and I was like, I literally have stopped to take them to round turn, but then this is stop, you know, like this is fucking stop in the middle of the bush, and the fast car was coming from behind me, and they just take the fucking bike back fast, and I was like, oh shit, this car is coming so fast. We really need to take it fast, you know, we really need to take it side. And when I pull the trigger, oh fuck. Hold on. Yeah. When I pull the trigger, then I understand, hey, this is not the correct way. And the bike just stopped. Fuck happened. You know? I was being kind to the boys, but then it turns out on me. Fuck. Alright, oh fuck. I just hate this shit. I'm probably gonna I can fix it. Look at this bullshit. A 17-year kid is biking so fast. Holy fucking shit. This thing is not even rested up here. And it is distracting me now. A lot distracting. Okay. There must be somewhere option. There must be an option. There is always option. There is not a single time there is no option. Okay. Now I just can't take it fast. Even though I wanted to, I just can't take it fast because the phone will get fallen downside. So what the fuck we are going to do? Let's talk about money, brother. If we have like a 5 minute, no, 7 minutes of road ride, and probably guess we can able to hear me. I assume that you guys are able to hear me. I'm just constantly checking back behind. Constantly keep checking behind because I don't want to get messed up. See this bullshit. See this. Okay, just a second, I'm crossing the road. Okay, brother. Fucking hate this getting fallen through. When are we going to get this? What's when are we fucking going to get rich? That's $1 billion question right there. When? We're going to get rich within, I have like, May, at the end of June, pretty much June starting June, because I have scheduled every single day about lectures which we are actually having the lectures right now. Just to clarify the basics again. Once the basics thing is getting clear, once that shit gets done, then we can able to go excel. Then after that we are going to go for $100 million challenge. Hold on. I'm crossing the fucking road right here. Cheap cars drive right. I'm crossing the road. Okay. And I'm just patiently waiting for my setup to get crossed. Can we? Yes, we can. Hell, we can. 24 bootcamp is already scheduled, and pretty much bullshitting happens. Yesterday, I have planned to do the 3 lectures, which I have done. One lecture, second lecture halfly done, and the rest, and the third lecture is still pending because we gone out for dinner. But why this is happening? Now I have to complete this when I'm in the fucking office. Look at this bullshit motherfucking job. I hate this. I hate this job, bro. Yeah, we are about to reach. And we're fucking late like it. Extremely late. A lot late. And I don't give a fuck. I don't want to risk my life just for this bullshit. Yeah. I like this recording by the phone because it also keeps my speed control. It also keep active by speaking, and also keep me active by seeing the road. It's beautiful. Alright brother, I will be not be able to talk to, because if I talk then those guys will be like, what the fuck you are talking about? Alright. I will take fast. I'll take it fast. I will not. Fuck the job. I don't want to risk my life for this 800 rupees. Now it is not even 800 now. It's maybe 200. It's a halfway cutting. I'm so low paying. And we reached. It's not getting neutral as fast as done. Finally the video got edited from on my phone, which was literally getting edited from 4 p.m. Are you crazy? I thought it will get finished by 4:30 p.m. like within half an hour, but it literally took like nearly 4:30, 5:36, 37, 38, 39, 30, 10:30, like 6 hours of consumption of my phone, and I won't be able to do anything. So that's the reason I won't be able to record whatever happens today. So like I came home, this is the same fucking shit. I came home and then started doing the lectures. And guess what? The lectures are going so good. Like I have understand literally how to do lecture. I mean, this starts from here. As a normal guy, as a normal boy, as a now normal people, I was really not knowing how to do the lecture properly. What most of the people do, and nine how I can say what 99% people do, that they just sat in front of the lecture and they just listen. They just understand the lecture. They just listen, but they don't even practice. I was at the same place. I was like anything. Now I have saw this literally the same exact lecture 2 times, but now 2 times I was just sitting in front of the laptop and I was like, okay, this lecture start, okay, this is going good, this is going good, lecture in, next lecture. Not a single time I have repeated what he have said, but now I literally have understand to get learn the things. I literally have to practice what he says. If he says this, we need the 4 hours time frame to go Polish, and I will instantly pause the lecture and I will go in a live market, and I will not live technically back tested market, but current live market, but back tested market. I will click on the candlestick until the new candle get form to until I wait for 4 hours to go bullish, and then I will see. Then I will literally do it by myself. First I will see the lecture. I will understand what he's saying. The second thing, I will go and practice instantly. That does makes million times sense and just doing the lecture seriously. I have understand how I can do, how I can replica the information. Why we are doing the lecture? To replica what he think. That's it. If I wanted to think like him, I have to think like him by doing the things what he need me to do. This is getting crazy. Signing off. If I start speaking, I fucking start speaking and I just don't stop. Let's do the lecture. Signing off. Yeah, I'm already behind one lecture, so brother, there is so much hate, and you won't believe. Like I am getting sweats on sweats. If you just see my back, I'm fully sweat, and yes, I'm just not going to sleep with this shirt. I'm going to change the shirt for sure. But why? I have this AC, I have this fan, but every single thing is off because if I turn this on, then I will get comfortable. And if the comfortable man is not ready to learn, an uncomfortable man is always ready to learn. That's why I really wanted to be more and more uncomfortable to get to learn and to more focus. If I have the AC, I will be like, yeah, our life is good. Why we don't need to lecture. I will little bit not focused on it, which I don't want. I fully want focused. And yes, mom, dad have gone out, and yeah, pretty much this is it. I mean, I'm also, like in back of my mind, my mind is saying, brother, just do the extremely good videos. What this is raw, real footage. No one wanted to listen. No one wanted to watch. Well, that's true, but I don't have time. I was saying myself, well, as that's true, but I don't have time, and I record every single thing. But the issue is, I just don't have proper structure to speak what I need to speak and what I need to convey the message from the current day. If I just go back, if I wanted to see the timeline what I have done 2 days before, I really have to see the 1 hour of the whole thing to just to see what I have done on that particular day, which is so not good. That's the reason I fucking need to be, like I don't know, man. I just think like my video should be so short, and should be understand instantly, not watching a whole hour of lecture and then understand, oh, so you have done the lecture. That's fucking good. All right, boys, signing off. Let's do the lecture.